You forgot to click all of them.
Already did.
Oh. All right. This is a Chevy motor. We're gonna put it on the engine stand, tear it down, right, Colin?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna figure out what it's all about, right, Colin?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right. Well, now take off those other ones. I'll be the reporter.
I don't like this part.
Dude, that's the easy part. All you gotta do is just stick it in.
Okay.
Tight.
I don't like that one. I don't like that one. I don't like that one.
Can you stop moving? Tight. Tight. Tight.
I didn't like that one.
Go slow in case it decides to fall on the floor. All right, now we gotta tear it apart. Why don't you? What next? You just go ahead and throw these bolts back in it. Man, that's a triple hazard. OSHA would not be approved. Let's put some brackets in a safe place. All right. Is that all the brackets that was on this thing? Cool. Nice and easy. Yeah, lighting's still bad. Whee. And pull. Oh man, oh man. Well, that doesn't look too terrible.
No. That looks pretty good. See, that cylinder was not cooking right.
It's not a cylinder, man.
Waterway.
Dude, you don't have to act like we know what we're doing. You gotta fake it so you look like you know what you're doing. Alright, I guess we can lay out a little deal over there. Put all this crap on there. And then pull the heads off. I'd say it looks perfect.
Yeah. Still got the hone. Ooh, that one is a little rusty. But it's still got the hone lines. Yeah, that one's a little rusty.
Oh, nothing something can't fix.
Rehone, PV blaster. It'll be fine.
Transmission fluid.
Yeah, Marvel Mystery Oil.
Yeah, she's solid.
Perfect.
Here's oil.
Maybe. No, it's still sludgy at the bottom. That's gross. Got it.
A bigger problem solver. There we go.
Uh-oh.
What?
Nothing.
Are you sure there's not another bolt holding it in, Colin?
Yeah.
In the very back.
Yeah.
There's a bolt holding it in. I know there is.
No, there's not.
Very...
No, there is. Right there in the center.
Weird.
I thought I had another one. Ah, there we go.
That will. What's it look like in there?
Chunky. Is that a snail? That's a snail.
Gary.
Gary's in there.
Roll it to where all the stuff goes back.
Ew. Really, it's a bigger Gary. Yeah, give me that.
How's it look underneath there?
Better. It wasn't touching it.
Cool. Freshy fresh. Is that cracked right there? I don't know.
That's Spider. At your door like a knock-knock joke.
I don't know.
I don't know. I'll just say motors knocking.
All right, we're good. So, yeah, motor's knocking.
So it's got to come out. Put another one in.
All right, anyway. So, she does look good, though. We got an update on the old motor here. We're going to throw it together so we can see what it looks like. But, got it all painted. Maybe unnecessary stuff, but still looks cool. All right, anyway, so we still got some Walker Moulton race kittens here. We got a little, this is Carl. And then we got Garfield number 4 or 5. We've had a couple of Garfields in our time. That's Rico. And this right here, this is freaking cool guy.
Don't forget about Brittany.
Oh, is this Brittany?
That is Brittany.
I thought Brittany was the white one.
No, Brittany's all gray.
All right, so this is Brittany. She has chubby cheeks. And it's probably going to be a guy, but it's 2022, so it doesn't really matter. And oh, yeah. And we also got news addition to the shop. We have Randolph the race deer. It's pretty cool. He might go to a race with us sometime or something like that. Anyway, so now we just got to find the oil pan. And we'll throw this motor together and get it out of the way. Man, I don't want to get it dirty. Okay, you have the bolts. Yeah, I gotta put my glasses back on for this. Alright, so we need a hammer. That's what we need. Oh, well, I guess if you just do it the correct way, it'll work too. And then that's gonna look. So then it'll sit there just like this. This is all you have to do. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, and we're gonna do mostly just righty tighty. That's where your oil filter goes. Yeah. Alright, cool. Oh, we also did come with a name with this thing. We'll tell you in a second. No, we'll tell you in a second. Now we're full charge. So, like a glove. He's waving at Callum. There it is. Are you in 0.5? Cool. All right, so now we're gonna set the intake on top of it and the valve covers. This right here, custom painted Performer Edelbrock intake. Looks
Blackout.
cool. I did that with the Sharpie. I messed up a couple times and actually hit it up here. Anyway. Cool. All right, and then right here is this valve cover. Oh, wow. And you slide it on like a glove. All right, now time for the big name reveal. Right after we turn these turn things right here because they're in the way. But all right, we named this motor after it's what it produced. Turbo. Oh, my sticker. We're gonna have to get some super glue.
Just throw a coat of clear over it. It'll stay forever.
Get the motor. Come on, man. We're pros. Is that all together? Oh, here. There, it's hair sticking out. There we go. Oh. Anyway, that's the motor. Man. We just wanted to give you an update on it because I and myself and me have been working on that.
You jerk.
But anyway, so now we're going to, I guess, clean up shop and start pulling a motor out of my Wraith car. So